So these are the brand new Status Audio Between Pro True Wireless Earbuds, and they are different in every sense of the word, but sometimes being different, it's a good thing. Status Audio has always been about being unique, and that mindset has consistently led to innovative new audio products from the HD1 back in the day all the way up to the Between Pro today. Featuring effortless setup, pro-grade triple drivers, Bluetooth 5.2 with the high-res aptX codec, 4 external mics for stellar call quality with noise-canceling tech, and an insane 48 hours of battery life, 12 from the buds and 36 more from the case, the Between Pro offer an unreal set of features and some pretty bold claims for a pair of true wireless earbuds that are $150, so let's see how they are. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Status Audio Between Pro True Wireless Earbuds. When I was running down the insane set of features in these earbuds, it made me think a lot about how far we've come with true wireless earbuds in such a short amount of time. Many have attempted to create the perfect pair of true wireless earbuds, but few have actually succeeded at creating a set that offers great sound quality and battery life while still remaining affordable. Fast forward a few years, and here we are with next level earbuds like the Between Pro that come with specs greater than some high-end over-the-ear headphones out there. So let's unbox them and see what they can do. So right off the bat, the first thing that you're going to notice about the Between Pro is that striking design. This is the first thing that separates them from other earbuds out there. In a sea of people walking around with AirPods in their ears, there's no denying that the Between Pro are going to make you stand out. They feature a minimal black and gray rectangular design that isn't much larger than a traditional pair of earbuds. Even though they do protrude from your ear a bit, they don't budge or feel like they're going to fall out. It's very clear that the design of the Between Pro was very well thought out. They aren't heavy by any means, and I haven't felt much fatigue when I had them in my ears for longer periods of time. Even though they look very different than what you're used to, comfort should be very familiar, as these have a similar feeling to that of basically any in-ear earbud out there. They're also incredibly simple to set up. Just open the charging case lid and pair them with your device. As far as sound quality goes, my goodness, this is where the Between Pro flex their goodness. These are legitimately the best sounding pair of true wireless earbuds that I've used to date. The only pair of wireless earbuds that maybe comes close to matching the sound quality here are the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2, and even those are $100 more and have much less battery life. Status Audio knocked it out of the park with the Between Pro. The sound is beautifully balanced with detailed highs, clear mids, and a good amount of bass that isn't overwhelming. Those triple drivers paired with Bluetooth 5.2 and the aptX codec make these a wireless earbud experience that you cannot find anywhere else. The Between Pro don't have active noise cancellation, but I did find that having the right size ear tip more than tunes out the world around you. They come with small, medium, and large silicone fit wings and earbuds, so there's a lot of flexibility in finding the perfect fit. As far as call quality goes, this is another area where the Between Pro shine. The earbuds have a total of 4 external microphones, 2 on each bud, making them great for Skype, Zoom, or even regular calls. What's also neat is that having all these microphones makes noise cancellation possible, so they focus more on your voice rather than the world around you. Every time I used them, I could hear the other person very clearly, and they could hear me just fine. The quality of the mics here are very, very good. Battery life is another area where Status Audio just knocked it out of the park. It is like a flex here. It is outstanding. In fact, to my knowledge, the Between Pro have the best battery life of any pair of true wireless earbuds out there on the market today. Their bold claims do seem a little too good to be true on paper, but I am so happy to report that they deliver. I would not consider myself a hardcore listener where I have earbuds in my ears consistently 24/7, but just a few hours or so a day that I do have them, it definitely adds up, especially if I'm editing videos. I don't have an exact number, but if I were to guess, Status delivers or comes very close to that 48 hours that it claims. If impressive battery life is something that you're looking for in your next pair of wireless earbuds, these are the best that you can get by far. Overall, Status Audio created a phenomenal pair of true wireless earbuds in the Between Pro that just push the wireless earbud category to heights that we've never seen before. They are different in every way, and being different, it's a good thing. Aside from a slightly flimsy case lid, it's hard for me to find much to complain about for the price. They're just as effortless as AirPods to set up, they offer fantastic sound quality, top-notch call quality, and outstanding battery life at a price that's not gonna break the bank. These feel like they should be much more than their asking price. They aren't perfect by any means, but they are definitely as close to perfect as you can get with true wireless earbuds now, and if you're actually considering getting a pair of new wireless earbuds, the Between Pro, they should be at the top of your list. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!